Nature's Therapy: Understanding the Healing Power of the Natural World. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to unravel the beautiful phrase, nature's therapy. This phrase is not just about words. It's about feeling, healing, and connecting with the world around us. Let's dive into the serene world of nature's therapy and discover its profound meaning together. Nature's therapy refers to the healing and rejuvenating effect that nature has on our minds, bodies, and souls. It's about finding solace, peace, and clarity amidst the natural world. This could be in the form of a quiet walk in the forest, listening to the waves crash on the beach, or simply sitting in a garden, observing the gentle dance of the butterflies. In our fast-paced, technology-driven world, nature's therapy offers a much-needed break. It allows us to reconnect with our roots and the environment, reduce stress and anxiety by immersing ourselves in the tranquility of natural settings, enhance our mood and overall sense of well-being, inspire creativity and problem-solving by providing a calm, distraction-free environment. 1. Forest bathing, a practice originating from Japan, known as Shinrin-yoku, which involves taking in the forest atmosphere. 2. Gardening. Engaging with plants not only beautifies our surroundings but also calms our minds. 3. Nature walks. Regular walks in nature improve physical health and give our minds the chance to unwind. 4. Listening to natural sounds. Sounds of flowing water, bird songs, or rustling leaves can be incredibly soothing. Make time for regular outdoor activities, even if it's a short daily walk in the park. Create a green space in your home with indoor plants or a small garden. Use natural elements in your home decor to bring the essence of nature indoors. Practice mindfulness or meditation in natural settings to deepen the therapeutic experience. In closing, nature's therapy is a gentle reminder of the peace and healing that the natural world offers. It's an invitation to step away from the chaos, to breathe, and to reconnect with the Earth's inherent beauty and rhythm. We hope this journey through nature's therapy inspires you to find your own peace and healing in nature. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonders of the English language and the world around us.